Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Prince Onyas. In this video, I will be showing you how to change your Facebook group name. So if you have a Facebook group that you want to change the name, this video is for you. And if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, subscribe to this channel and also like this video to enable Facebook recommend it to other people. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And let's go into the video. Let me show you how you can change your Facebook group name to the particular one that you want to change it to. So let's go, guys. So the very first thing we have to do here is to use our Facebook, which we want to change the Facebook group on. The Facebook which we use in creating the Facebook group. So you just click on the Facebook. I'm going to be using my personal Facebook to change because there is one group name that I created a long time ago and I want to change it. So you click on this place here that you are seeing my pointer on. You click on it. So this is my Facebook. You will now come to group. When they say group, click on the group button, and once this place is open like this, so the next thing you have to click is to click on this place that is written your group. You can see where it's written your group. You click on it. So after your group, you will see the group that you have created, the one that you are managing, which is this one and this one. If you have so many group, there will be here too. So in this particular video, I want to change this particular one, this one that I'm highlighting now, that I created 4 years ago. I want to just change the update and everything. I want to change the group, and this group is going to be Nigerian small business. So if you want to join this group, you are free to join the group because we are going to be advising people and also bringing business idea people can do to earn side income. So you can as well, after watching this video, you go and search for the group and you can join the group if possible, if you want to join it, especially people that is living in Africa, in Nigeria in particular. So just click on it. Once you click on it now, you will see the place that is written manage. Click on this one that say manage. When you click on manage, you scroll up, you see group setting. You see group setting here. As you can see, group settings for this particular place. Group setting, click on the group settings. You will see different, you see basic information, basic group information, you see name and description, you see cover photo, you click on this one that say name and description. Just click on it. So the name will come out. See the name I want to change here, love football, and the description I just want to change them in this particular one. So you just click on it and erase the name and put the name that you want to put on it. So in this particular one, I'm going to put Nigerian small business, small business. So this group name is going to be Nigerian small business. So you can go and search for this group if you want to be beneficial for you. Don't have anything to lose. So I'm going to just erase everything. I will write the description later. But the main purpose is to change the name of the group. So you just save it, click on save. It will just save. So if you go back now, as you can see, the group has changed to Nigerian business. We are going to be designing the cover of the group. So we are going to be using Canva to design the cover of the group. So if you don't have Canva, you can download Canva. It's for free. Just sign up for free. You're not going to be using the paid version. So you just open it to put the banner of the group. So the first thing we need to do here is to click on this plus sign. Click on the plus sign, then click on this search bar that says search. I'm going to be searching on cover, Facebook cover. So we just click on this first one that says Facebook cover. That is the size we are going to be using to create the banner. So this is the page. So he's bringing template for us. But what we are going to be doing now like this is to select the one grow online. Let's just search for, go to this up that says search. Let's say business ideas. So that business ideas, business idea, just search for it so that maybe we bring something close to what you are looking for. Creative business agency. I can remove that agency. I put idea. I think that one is okay. So I think we are going to be using this particular one. So I just click on it. So this is it now. So as I click on it, I can change anything on this profile. But what I'm going to be changing here is just this agency. Let's change this agency to ideas. Just click on it. As you click on it, you just erase it and write ideas. As you can see, ideas. So it will be like creative business ideas. So let me check we are the best business solution for we are the best business solution for your business. So we'll remove, click on this learn more button. We'll just put it join group, join the group, join the group, join group, not the group, join group. Let me put let me just put it this way. Okay, join group. We are going to remove this phone number. I'm going to remove this one that say contact. Once you tap on it, delete this delete button. The one that you want to remove, this contact button, click on it, press on this delete here, it will be gone. So this is what we want to use for that particular one. So we'll just click on this arrow here to download it. Just click on it. It will be downloading already. So if it is downloading, we'll just go to, once it's downloaded, we'll just go to our Facebook. It has downloaded to our phone already. We'll just go to our Facebook page. Excuse me, sorry about that. We'll just go to our Facebook page, click on it, go to the group, go to my group. So this is the group now. Just click on it, tap on this edit on the corner here. Once you click the edit, you see upload photo. You can see upload photo here. You just upload photo. You will see that photo. See the photo that we just did now. We just tap on it and save it. So it's going to update here on this page. As you can see now, see our page banner here. Our group banner has been putted here. So this is what how you can create this page. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video if you really enjoy this video. So this is how you can do it. So maybe next we'll just find any logo and put in our logo. So this is how you change the name, and if you want to create and you see also create your banner for it for free. So